Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Cancers. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Let us see what is coming up, guys. I'll be picking few cards for your daily and love energies, guys, and I'll give the angels guidance message at last, guys. Queen of Swords, Six of Wands, Page of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Cancers, with these cards, I feel maybe for some of you all, you would have had that situation that you would have felt somebody has betrayed you. They may be working against you, and you would have felt that you have lost your confidence, or people would have lost their confidence in you. Something like that, guys, something of that energy, or something that has happened and that was not what you expected. What you expected has not come into being, and you're feeling really irritated or sad because of that, guys. That may also be the energy here. Maybe for some of you all, you are being very cautious about something. You are keeping yourself fully vigilant about your situation. Whatever is happening in your life, you are just conscious about everything, about the people that are there in your life, and about your situation. You're watching everything closely. Maybe you feel something is going against you that you need to watch carefully, or maybe for some of you all, you are even having doubts about this person, or doubts in your work. You may be thinking that people are working against you, and you are very conscious about it, and you just want to see the truth in your situation. So you're totally vigilant. Maybe some of you all feel this may be something towards you. Maybe you feel somebody is spying on you. They are trying to understand your situation. You may feel this way about this person, or this may concern your work, Cancers. So you feel in your work somebody is going against you, working against you, and you are very conscious about it. So that may be the energy here. But with these two positive cards, I feel that situation is coming to an end, guys, and you are feeling happy and content. Maybe some of you all, because of this constant monitoring, or constant awareness, you are getting the knowledge into your situation, and you are really happy about it, happy how things are actually the truth. So you're getting to know the truth of your situation, guys. Maybe that may be the energy here. So some kind of knowledge you're gaining because of this vigilance, because of this spying, and this may be the energy of your person towards this relationship, or yours towards your relationship, guys. It works vice versa. So that is the way you feel, and you may feel that you are really lucky to be in the state today. Finally you have a clear understanding of things, guys. So you are very happy that you have finally understood. You are getting that clarity in your situation, because you have that knowledge about this particular situation in your life. So let us see what is coming up with this other set of cards, guys. Cancers, Rider, Clouds, lady, clover, ship. Cancer, just like I said, you are getting some new information or some announcements coming your way that may clear the doubts or confusions you are having, or what your person was having, the doubts and confusions. So it is clearing, guys, and this is a very lucky card, guys. So whatever you're thinking is going to manifest, and so some very rare opportunities are coming your way. So you need to grab those opportunities, guys. So you need to make use of it quickly, because it is not going to last long. So some opportunities are coming your way, guys, what you were expecting, and maybe for some of you all, even the more unexpected ones, something really great which you never expected would happen. So that may come your way. Maybe for some of you all, your person has great aspirations, great goals in life. They want to become something, and their focus may be on that. So that may also be the reason that you feel some kind of doubt towards this person, but they have great ambitions, guys, in their life. They have great goals for themselves. That may also be the energy here. So that may also be the reason for you being cautious or vigilant. Sometimes you would have felt that you need to know more about them, that you have to spy on them. So that may be the energy here, or they would have felt this way about you or in this relationship. But things are changing, guys. Things are changing to the positive, and you are coming out of your your used routine, whatever you were doing till now. You are coming out of your comfort zone to grab what is coming your way, some new change that is coming your way. So you are breaking out of your comfort zone for this relationship, guys, or for work, whatever it is. So something new is coming into being in this relationship, and you're going to be extremely lucky, guys, Cancers. So that is what is coming with these cards. Let us see what the angels are guiding us today, guys. Faith. It is a very positive card, Cancer. So when our situation is just impossible, when we don't know where to go, when we are in just such a confusion, it is time we have to have trust in ourselves and trust in the universe, okay, guys, and we have to lift ourselves up with love and support for ourselves. So sometimes we have to just think within ourselves clearly and feel guided by by our own intuition. So trust is not only on any higher power, on this universe, or some beliefs you may be having, but also it is having that total faith in our own self, guys, for our actions, and the faith that we will be able to overcome any situation. So that is what the angels are guiding us with today, guys, to have faith in ourselves to overcome any situation or faith. This may be regarding this work, regarding your work, or in this relationship. You need to have trust, and you need to have that faith in yourself, that confidence in yourself, that you will be able to lift yourself up from any situation. So that is the energy here, Cancer, with these cards. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancers.